A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Me know say no for we. Think say Jesus I go right we off. But guess what? Jesus did say, him never come in at our earlier for right off. Nobody. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, click the like button, drop a comment below, and share it with all of your friends. And of course, if you're not subscribed already, now is a good time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will not miss none of what I go on right here. So today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to John, chapter 12, from verse 37 to verse 50. All after when Jesus to the whole of them powerful sitting there in front of the people, them still make up their mind for not trust in him. This happened for make where Isaiah the prophet did say, come true. Him say, Lord, who believe where we tell them say, and who the Lord show him power to. And then couldn't trust in him because just like what Isaiah said, our next place, God blind them and he make them hard tough so they can neither see with them eye or understand in their mind or turn to me, God, and change them ways so me go make them get better. Isaiah said in here, because he did see how Christ big and powerful. He did see and talk about him. At the same time still, whole heap of people, all some of the Jew leader there, trust in him. But they wouldn't say them believe say Jesus are the Christ, because they did afraid of the Pharisee them. We would have thrown them out of the Jew church. You see, them did rather big up from people more than from God. Then Jesus shout out on top of voice and say, this somebody will trust in me, not trust in me one. Him trust in the one will send me come here too. Them will see me, see the one will send me come here too. Me come in the world like a one light. So that them will trust in me, not going turn in a darkness. If anybody hear what me say, but not do what me tell them to do, me not go write them off. Because me then come here to write off the people them in the world. But come here to save them. You have one judge for the people them, we turn them back upon me and not listen to what me say. There's something them when me say, when judge them on the last day. Because there's something them when me say, me not say on my own, and the Father will send me come here, and him tell me when me for say, and how to say it. And me know say, when tell me for do, when make people live forever. So, when me say, I just what the Father tell me for say. I got what this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.